How to apply and use discounts on Lufthansa Airlines. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in lufthansa.com and then search for it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right corner, you will see the option of login. Go ahead and click on it. Then provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you can book your flight. You'll find this flight section. Go ahead and select whether you want round trip, multi-city or one-way. Select the travel details, cabin class and the passenger number. Then select the origin airport and the departure airport. Then select the flight date. After you provide all the details for the flight, you can search for the flight. With that, different flight options will appear. Head towards the flight that you want to book, click on it. Then go through the booking process, follow the on-screen instructions. And once you land to the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. In the promo code section, you will need to type in the code and confirm your flight. With that, the code will be redeemed and you'll get discount in your flight. So this way you can easily apply and use discount codes on Lufthansa Airlines. By applying the same process, you can use the voucher or discount codes on Lufthansa Airlines for any of your flight. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.